So these people are so square peg, square hole all day long. He won't listen and say,
Well, I suggest you gentlemen invent a way to put a square peg in a round hole.
this is a square peg, round hole conversation.
Real estate.
Real estate. Jason Berg, please.
What can I help you with?
My name is Danny. I'm looking at some commercial space here. It is currently configured as a laundromat, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I already have a laundromat.
Yes, you do, and that's why I am calling, Jason. I'm in that business, and I'm always looking for space with infrastructure. Interested in discussing a lease. We've scouted this location. We just see a lot of room for improvement, and I'm looking to build out some more stores in the area. Wanted to let you know we're out here.
A lot of people are looking for that. She has a lease until her lease is up. We're not going to do another coin laundry in the shopping center. But like I said, she has a lease and she's going to be there until her lease is up.
Okay. So when this lease is done, you're no longer interested in that defined use?
No, she has a lease, she's going to have a lease until she doesn't want a lease anymore, basically. But I have like 10 people that want to do a coin laundry, and they've been calling years and years. But until something happens to her, she's going to still have that coin laundry.
That's awesome. Well, those 10 people, do they have how many? Well, I'm not going to ask about them. I've got dozens of stores in 3 states, and I don't have your number. So of those 10 folks, God bless you. That's a great position to be in. I'd love to email you, and if and when you come across a spot with infrastructure, I'm interested as well.
Okay.
Don't want to get into a bidding war. I don't do that. I've got lots of stores, but I start with these locations that have poor operating procedures. I'm not here to beat up on your tenant, most certainly, Jason. It's just I want infrastructure, and I don't pay for it, like you said. Lots of folks doing it. I get that. I hope to be at least one of the best. I don't flip the stores or sell them. And I'll caution you, a lot of times you've got distributors that want to do this, and then they sell the store to some unsuspecting investor, and you're kind of stuck with somebody that doesn't really necessarily know what they're doing. We're operators. That's what we do. What's the best email address for you? So if I'm correct, because I'm looking at stores all over Texas, this young lady has a good lease. She's doing well. And, I'm not asking about your rent rolls at all, but when and if that changes, you may or may not be looking to plug in another operator.
No, I didn't say that. No, basically, I wouldn't put in two coin laundries. She will have that coin laundry there until something happens to her. Then when something happens to her, then we'd find a new tenant. But until then, she
right.
No,
Jason, I would never build a laundromat. I'm not calling on empty space. I'm calling on, and I don't even know who your operator is. You said she's a female, so I'm calling on that location. So if and when that changes, if it's 10 years from now, hopefully we'll still be kicking and I'll be interested. If it's 10 weeks from now, same. So I'll send you an email. In 3 sentences, I sign long-term leases in existing laundromat locations because I don't intend to pay for the infrastructure, the gas, water, and electric. That's all. I retool the stores. I spend the money on new equipment. I'm not a broker. I don't flip or sell the stores. We operate them successfully. That's all I do. So if it's this spot or another one, keep us in mind. You can crawl up my ass, look at all of my stores, and we can talk terms.
All right, sounds good.
Glad I have your number.
Okay.
Thanks,
all right, thank
buddy.
you.
Jesus H. Christ. How about listen to what I'm saying?
Right.
No, we don't want 2 coin laundromats. So these people are so square peg, square hole all day long. He won't listen and say, bro, this is a square peg, round hole conversation.
Right.
I'm interested in her spot, but he's thinking about his empty space 3 doors down still.
Right.
No. Yeah. He finally got it at the end. I'll send him an email. Keep looking. this is the way the game is played. You know, we have to set these hooks in order to get these done, and this is the groundwork.
Okay.
Cheers, brother.
All right. Have a great day.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.